This is my Bigfoot Bird Feeder. It's a total of 42 hours to print. Started off looking pretty good. Got a little bit of stringing going on right there, but not too bad. And right about now, I'm in 32 hours in, and I lost the support underneath his chin. So I had 10 hours left, but I let it go. It looked like it was okay. Fingers crossed, it's going well. The reason this took so long is I was using a 0.2 millimeter nozzle and using a Petg. So obviously it's going to take a little bit longer to print, more detail. Success. Let's check it out. Look at the detail on that. That's pretty amazing.